Stefano. Look at this. First of all, the sunset, mean as. And we got our crops. Okay. There's heaps of spiders in here. I wasn't expecting so many spiders. But most of all, my lawn is halfway done. Oh, that took hours. Man, that was a big mistake to do that, guys. Okay, just gonna finish it off tomorrow. Okay, have a good night.